welcome to my channel. Here's an update on my brother's keeper. Hi, Uphitheno kaShabalala, umshengo wants uDonga noNdumiso to go to Nqubeko and beg him not to press charges. Uthi nje uMamChunu cannot go to jail. But uDonga noNdumiso, they feel ukuthi uma lento ayenzile is too much. She could have killed anyone because ubhaki keke. Like, what if Toba or Spusu said eaten the cake? But they eventually go to Nqubeko's house, and Nqubeko's like, but this person wanted to kill me. Shogana nje ukuthi angifuni. uDonga feels ukuthi hey yazini, they need to just face the truth and do the right thing. And then uNdumiso talks to MamChunu, ethi yazi ma, can't trust you anymore. Uyenza kanjani into enje, and I want to kill one of our own. Athi uyazikhalisa uMamChunu athi nje awunanembeza wena. Ukhathazile-ke athi yena uDonga nje uzomsupport whatever decision he takes. And then Nqubeko has a change of heart uthi yena yazini uMamChunu made a mistake, Nama also made a mistake. So even kahle I'm thinking of not pressing charges. But Doreen does not is against this. Uthi nje uMamChunu must pay. Amba itshela umshengu ukuthi yazini she must pay. It's time for you to support your son. Utata onjani wena? And then MamChunu goes to see Doreen. Let's talk woman to woman. Yes, I was struggling to forgive. That's why I sent Nqubeko. It's not that I don't love him, Jay. I just let Ilona to get the better out of me. But Doreen, things went south because Doreen ended up telling her, "Guti, we are cool when you're just like your sister." And the thing that drove your sister to the mental institution, Guti, she realized uMchunu didn't love her, umshengu did not love her, ubethanda mina. That's why she ended up there. But uMamChunu feels like Doreen is the one that drove usiswakhe to the mental institution. Actually, uDoreen umbulele. And then things go south. Agcine sehamba-ke uMamChunu bangasakhuluma ngathi yazini it was a mistake to come here. And then uThedi keeps on pushing uNdumiso to try and get On The Rocks to be fully his. Ngapha uSbu wants to go have lunch on the rocks, but uDidi is like no, because she knows ukuthi kulaphaya kunoThoba, so they can't go there. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.